Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
The crypto business has been expanding with a plenty of computerized resources which have been endeavoring to lay out one's rule. Progressively, the ventures taking care of the money areas have been under the intense thought of advertisers. With the ascent of DeFi, a heap of crypto resources are expected to flourish. SYNTHETIX is one such cryptographic money that is locked in with a subsidiary's liquidity convention that upholds subordinates exchanging. Flaunts its local resource SNX, which has depicted euphoric runs in the previous year. What's more, is presently presumably hanging tight for the enlivening of the DeFi area. Could it be said that you are one among the many who are enthused about SNX's cost projections? Look no further, as we translate the achievable cost expectations for 2022 and then some. SYNTHETIX, SNX, Price Prediction for 2022. SYNTHETIX had strolled into the year 2022, while being on an advantage, and with a sticker price of $5.943. After it spiked to $9.585, in the midst of the far-reaching liquidations, it slipped to $3.626 by the 23rd of January, post which the altcoin skipped to $6.233 by the 6th of February. Nonetheless, choppiness in the business coming about because of international strained qualities and taking off expansion numbers, hauled the cost to $3.52 by March 6. From there on, an upturn shut the quarter at $7.006. The subsequent quarter was gotten off to a promising start, and with a sticker price of $7.747. Be that as it may, exasperating patterns in the market hauled the altcoin to the bottoms of $1.45 by the 18th of June. From that point, a flood of volumes assisted SNX with shutting Q2 at $2.27. SNX price forecast for Q3. In the event that the organization draws in more current selections and coordinated efforts with its sound subordinates' liquidity, and making of engineered resources, the cost of SNX could chug up to $3.747 toward the second from last quarter's end. On the other side, negative analysis in dubbing volumes could crash the resource for $2.689. Compelled by the straight projection, the ordinary cost could fall at $3.113. SYNTHETIX price forecast for Q4. On the off chance that the producers of the convention utilize formative and local area building drives, SYNTHETIX could track down stars leaning in support of its. In such a case, the cost of SNX could flood to hit a limit of $4.761. On the other hand, a potential monetary emergency or an administrative clampdown could wreck the cost to $3.338. Taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could settle at $3.9561. SYNTHETIX price prediction for 2023. Breaking down the more limited and bigger cost projections on the diagram, it is perceived that the SNX cost has been veering off from its way typically every several months. The altcoin undertaking would most likely cross on a reach-bound scale in 2023. Notwithstanding, the most extreme cost of the resource is normal at $7.8051, and a base chance at $4.143. Progressively, the standard cost could find its base at $5.8203. SNX price prediction for 2024. The digital money is expected to rise assuming the local area focuses on growing the client base and upgrading its foundation, because of which, the cost could flood as high as $11.669. Interestingly, the token could sink to $6.143, on the off chance that it neglects to fulfill the clients and financial backers. Thus, an equilibrium in exchange practices could end the year at $9.1086. SYNTHETIX network token price prediction for 2025. Certain inbound turns of events and associations might prompt the development of the cash. The token is expected to rise in the event that any web-based entertainment forces to be reckoned with have an uplifting perspective on the token. In such conditions, the cost could take off to a limit of $18.391. Notwithstanding, SNX might decline to as low as $9.250, on the off chance that the token neglects to improve its convention. On the other hand, taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the standard cost could land at $13.4006. What is SYNTHETIX, SNX? SYNTHETIX has been a DeFi token that means to work with anti-openness to a tremendous scope of digital money and non-crypto projects. The biological system is based on Ethereum, ETH, blockchain.com, and empowers brokers' admittance to profoundly fluid engineered resources. These resources follow and offer profits from the fundamental tasks without expecting clients to hold the resource straightforwardly. The biological system flourishes to augment the cryptographic money circle by adding non-blockchain resources, giving admittance to a high-level monetary market. The stage has its own local token called SNX, that empowers highlights like acquiring a level of organization, exchanging charges, and brand new SNX. Key analysis. SYNTHETIX is the product that permits clients to fashion new crypto resources that mock both the genuine resources as well as the crypto resources. An assortment of savvy contracts runs on the Ethereum blockchain organization. Engineered clients don't have to trust any outsider to deal with the crypto resources. They just need trust in a code which will execute as composed. SYNTHETIX produces new crypto resources by utilizing a cycle called collateralization. SNX digital currency should be bought by the clients to collateralize a resource on SYNTHETIX. SYNTHETIX was established by Kane Warwick. He was a previous non-chief at the Blue Shift retail stage. Prior to sending off SYNTHETIX, the pioneer served on various other cryptographic money projects. He had sent off Pouncer, which is a live close-out site zeroed in on the Australian crowd. Our price prediction. Figured out SYNTHETIX cost forecast. Certain organizations with different endeavors and new companies could bring about accomplishing exorbitant costs along with the financial backers. In such a case, SNX's cost could raise a ruckus around town high for 2022 at $4.80. Then again, on the off chance that the bears keep on ruling the business, the cost could droop down to $3.40. Authentic price sentiments. 2018. SYNTHETIX made its presence in the crypto world on March 14, 2018 with a cost of 49 cents. Later, the token began to variate and the cost floated somewhere in the range of 27 cents and 68 cents till the finish of July. Further, the value declined to 7 cents by September. SNX kept on being in a similar cost level with specific varieties and finished the year 2018 for 4 cents. 2019. SNX entered the year with a cost of 3 cents. The altcoin began to variate and exchanged somewhere in